If anybody was thinking about becoming a member of Drone Pro Academy, I would say hands down, it's been the most important thing for my business. And I can't say enough about it. Chris, you've done an amazing job, man. I go to your forums and stuff, and I'm able to connect with people that are actually flying for DJI and all the big jobs that some of us are getting. And, I owe a lot of my success to Drone Pro Academy.
Definitely gave me the blueprints for starting my own company. I had no idea of, any type of entrepreneur, anything really. I had no desire. But after seeing the steps laid out in the program and, doing a little more research, it definitely got me excited and motivated.
I've been impressed. It's changed my life. I do it part-time. I don't do it full-time. But if you're looking to get into this industry, if you're looking to get experience in this field, even if it's for a part-time gig, just doing jobs here and there and just having some fun, definitely recommend it. It is a big nut to swallow at first, but it will pay off, and you'll have the experience and the knowledge and the confidence to do gigs and to get jobs. Helps you through the business planning, helps you through how to market yourself and things like that. So it really is fun. So hope this helps somebody that's considering it.
But for me, myself, personally, I think that the sheer amount of volume in the behind the scenes, the teaching methods of the drone shots, the information, the price, what price? I mean, that's a very small investment in your future and how to do this the right way.
It's really great just to be able to reach out and get that instant feedback. Put your video out there. Everyone has a different eye, so they can give you different feedback on things and really help you progress as a cinematographer, as a drone pilot, to really hone your skills and focus in on things that you need to work on yourself. Price point more than pays for itself. I've made more than my money back on it. Once I started applying the techniques and everything like that, my reel just got better and better, and I was able to start charging more for all my shots.
Basically, working with Chris has been beneficial because he's already been there, done that, and he's made it successful business from it. So it's that was my goal, also getting away from what I've been doing for 15 years, doing something I might enjoy.
And it has been instrumental in growing my pilot skills and my skills as an aerial cinematographer, in dealing with business practices and client relations, and everything from how to deal with setting up and maintaining a drone all the way up to landing that first client and then building a brand for yourself. I wouldn't be here where I am today without Chris Newman.
In actual video production, you understand the terminology, you understand kind of how it works, and you're not going to be completely blindsided when you land one of the gigs for yourself. So the value for the money, you can't beat this. It's worth 10 times the value.
And if you guys aren't a member, you definitely need to join so you can be a part of one of the most elite groups in the country learning about this drone industry.
If you're sitting on the edge wondering if you should join or not, let me tell you something, the investment is absolutely worth it. It is just 100% yes.
A lot to learn, not only about flying the drone, but also about the quality of the pictures and how to take great cinematic shots. And I think that the training that I'm getting so far has been just outstanding. Well worth the money, and I would recommend it to anybody.
It's a fantastic program. If you have the opportunity to be involved, don't miss it. We haven't regretted it for 1 second. And we would like to thank Chris for letting us play along and for creating all this for everyone else. Thank you so much.